am I ready?
You're good now.
Okay. So I am Aviva Belhumar, and I have been challenged to do the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge by Julie Mars. Thanks, Julie. I made it this far. I didn't think I'd even get challenged for this, so here we go. I've got my bucket of ice. I've got water. I'm going to dump it on my head. And as a wedding present to the Mrs. Masons, the newlywed Mrs. Masons, I challenge you, Kim and Carrie Mason, to do the same within 24 hours.
Somebody dumped it?
No, I think I can. Okay. Just right over my head, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
No, I can't. I can't lift the bucket high!
Wait.
Okay, okay. I'm ready, I'm ready. Kim and Kerry, your challenge has been made.